Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Alright, so if you've been following me on Instagram, I've got 4 knives available, and this was the 5th one, but this one was a little bit messed up. It had lock rock, which meant like when it was opened up, it would rock back and forth like this, just a teeny bit, but just enough where, it was driving me crazy. So what I did is I took a 3/16 pin and I drilled it out an 1/8 inch, and then I put it in here, and now, boom, it works perfect. No lock rock or nothing. Now I do have to take off a little bit from here, since the 3/16 pins brought the knife down just a little bit, but not bad. So I'm about to take a little bit off here. Now I gotta start on a few more knives. Now I got all these up on my website. Boom, boom. The Froggy knife, that's up there. This is finished. This is actually the last one of the old design, and I saved it. I didn't think I would, but I did. It's a little bit off center, just a teeny bit. If I didn't tell people, they probably wouldn't even know. But this thing flicks like, woof, man. I'll make sure to put my website up in the cards. It's the first down in the description, so you can go check these out. Tell me what you think of my photography skills. This one's up there. Boom. I got 2 fixed blades and 2 folders right now. I figure I'll just make this a little vlog because I haven't filmed anything yet for this week or last week. So I gotta get back to work and make some knives, but I figure I'd take you along on a journey on this one to get it cleaned up, and then we'll start making some new knives. Alright, enough rambling. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. Let's get to the grinder and get this one fixed up. Alright, I'll be honest, I didn't feel like setting up the cameras, but we got her all smoothed out. Look at that, it all falls in line, nice and perfect. Yeah, man. I was thinking about taping up the sides and using ferric on the back, but I kind of like how it smooths out and all goes into shiny like that. And then you got your fat grind lines here, and then the stonewash finish here. I dig it. Now I just gotta wait for my new hardware to come in. Actually, I got the hardware like this, both the pivots and the screws, but this is 8/64 instead of 8/32, so I had to go online and buy a tap, so I'm waiting a couple days, and then I can put it in here, because I bought the wrong kind of hardware. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm talking about, but yeah, I bought the wrong kind of pivots, so I had to cut the heads off and make my own and tap them out, but it's good to have the tap anyway. Let me put these away and we'll draw up some new knives. So with these, I'm just gonna trace them out and make some new deals. I wish I could use this. I was thinking I could make a left-handed blade, but the way this is cut already and how my handles are pre-made, yeah, I don't think it would work. So I'm gonna have to pop the detent ball out of this and just make a new blade. That's all right. We have these ready, and this will just be a template from now on, like the other ones. So we got these 3 blades to draw up, and I'm gonna make a new one. This is 3/16. Let's make a big old blade, huh? Well, not a big old blade, but a bigger blade. Alright, like my handle's about 5 inches, 4.5, 5 inches. Then we'll have like an 8-inch blade. Why not? Let's have fun. Alright, screwed up that top a little bit. You know what handle I like? Where did I put that damn knife? It's always in my way. Now that I want it, I can't find it. No, here it is. No, that's not it. Oh, here it is. There we go. Almost the same damn thing. We'll make it shallow here. That way we'd always make it bigger, you know. You see, this feels good. But I got big hands. Yeah. Alright, let's go for it. Why not? Alright, I was gonna go to the bandsaw first, but then I figured I'd show you this. So check this out. I drilled 3 holes, 1/4 inch, boom, boom, boom. I kind of put them out and I just marked the holes through. But now I marked them all how I want them. And this is a thinner steel. It's like 5/32 or something, or 0.157. So, boom, have room here to cut, room here to cut. Boom! Now to the bandsaw. Alright, 1 down, 3 to go. That handle's pretty thick, but we'll get it smoothed out. So I don't, if you guys follow me on Instagram or TikTok or Clapper, any of that stuff, yeah, I decided to make a couple paring knives. I saw Alex Steele make one today, and my friend Heath is always talking about making paring knives. Since I've been cooking every night, I do need a smaller knife. The steel I used, here, let me show you. I cut it out of this steel, so I actually got 2. All right, let's cut this out, or shave this out, and then we'll get to the horizontal. That's what happens when you try to freestyle. Let's see, I think this needs to come up. Seems like this needs to come back a little bit more. That's how you gotta try it. You gotta fit it in your hand, see how it works. Here comes the hard part. Grinding these out. Now I gotta leave some. See, that's where it's going close, so I don't want to take too much off here. Whew, that was going to be close. I'm about to do that for each one. But I don't want to do in here and in here because I'm about to make 3 new handles. I'm just going to have to kind of rough it. More to go. Yeah, I have to take a little bit out and then go back a little bit out, and then once I get them down, I have to put in the pin. And I could probably just, since I got this one, hey, there's a thought. You know, as long as I stay on the outside line, it's gonna be bigger. This will just give me a guide. See, this one still has a lot to go up and some to go down. That gives me a little bit of play. I just want to make sure we got this. To the horizontal. I'm gonna start with this bigger wheel on the small wheel attachment. The big wheel on the small wheel. Now I'm gonna move down to here for in here. And then down here for like the sharpening notch and all that. But we'll see where we get. Cause I think, let's see. That'll be fun for the paring knives too. Okay. So as we kind of go, we're gonna go to the small wheel. Then I'm gonna put the big wheel on to get all the spines and all that. All right, let's do it. Back and forth, back and forth. Didn't translate it over to this one, but I kind of like that. So let's draw that bad boy in. See how it kind of just like lips up right there? I like that. Instead of being rounded, we want it cut. Or maybe we don't, I don't know, let me know. I don't know anything about these paring knives and cooking knives and all that good stuff. But I'm learning. Gonna do high speed and bust through all of them. You got the spines and all that to do. I think this will actually work for this. So we're good there. I gotta round that off too. High speed, montage, something like that. next we'll be doing jimping and sharpening notches and then preheat treat bevels. But yeah, check it out. Here's that knife idea I was talking about. I finished it up, got it all cleaned up, good to go. Yeah, man. Woo, I'm so happy that worked out. It's nice when you try new things and they actually work out. This little bad boy's snappy too. So go check out on my website and tell me what you think of my knife pictures. I gotta put this one up. I got 4 up. This is the 5th one. All my hardware came in and stuff like that today, or my taps, so I can put the hardware in, and she's going up on my website soon. Which I'll put up in the cards as the first down in the description. Great transition, huh? It's almost like I planned that or something. Man, I love flicking this little bad boy. I almost want to keep it if I didn't have enough knives as it is. Well, can you ever have enough? Alright, make sure to like, comment, leave your questions, your tips, all that good stuff. Subscribe, hit the bell. I think that's it. I'm cutting it there. I'll put the playlist to, I don't know, what playlist should I put up there? I know what I'll do. I'll put the playlist up here for the full guide to knife making. That way you beginners can find it all out and every little detail. Alright, and my website's right there. Hope you all have a great day, and as always, take it easy.